Hello guys, today I'm gonna introduce you with an affiliate program called Rushbox. It's one of the best affiliate program at the moment. It's easy to use, it got lots of banners to use, and we'll see some payouts as well. Let's check the payouts. So as you see over here, if you got up to 30 new traders per month, you get $175 per customer. CPA means cost per acquisition. So when on your banner on your website the visitor clicks on that and is redirected to the Rushbox programs, if he will become a member of the program, and then you will receive the $175 as your profit. So let's check the partners, what you can promote with this affiliate program. So it's a TradeRush, Redwoods, Boss Capital, and Magnum Options. So it's very cool that in one affiliate program you've got 4 products to promote. It's lots of banners you can use. So if you got the website, it's a very good and easy way to make some extra cash from your website. So it's easy and it's totally free. You don't need to invest any money on that. You just need to join, and to join you will see under the video there is a link to join this affiliate program, and you can check it yourself. It's a very good program. So if you like my video, please give me likes, and see you guys. Goodbye.